Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some Valentine's Day room decoration ideas. I will be showing you how to make a wreath, a banner, and a frame art idea. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these decoration ideas, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first idea I will be showing you how to make is a wreath. The first thing you want to do is to take the inside part of a sewing hoop and tie a piece of ribbon into a loop onto it. Then you want to trace a heart template onto two different colors, a scrapbook paper or cardstock paper, and cut about 4 more hearts out of both colors and make 2 different sizes. When you get all of your hearts cut out, you want to place the hearts in a pattern onto the sewing hoop to see how you would like the wreath to look. Then you want to glue on all of the hearts onto the sewing hoop with a glue gun. If you want, you can tie a bow and glue a jewel into the middle of the bow and glue it onto the wreath. For the second idea, I will show you how to make this banner. You will need to print out some words onto a piece of paper and cut each letter out. You can use the words be mine, love, or something else. Then you want to trace a heart template onto a piece of paper that is a different color than the words that you used and cut the heart out. After you cut out your heart and the letters, you want to trace the shape of a banner onto a piece of paper that's a different color than the words and the heart and cut out a banner for each letter and heart. When you get all of your banners cut out, you want to take a hole puncher and punch a hole into each banner. Then you want to take a glue stick and glue each of the letters and the heart onto each banner. The last thing you have to do is to run a piece of twine or string through each banner and hang it onto a wall with some tape. The last DIY I will show you how to make is this frame art idea. You want to trace a tiny heart template onto 2 different colors of cardstock paper or scrapbook paper and cut out as many hearts as you want. Then you want to take some string and tape one end of the string onto the back of the frame, and then you want to go to the other side but move the string down, lower, and tape it again. Do the same steps with the string a few more times and cut the extra string off. Then you want to place the hearts onto the string to see how you want it to look. The last thing you have to do is to tape the hearts onto the string. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these decoration ideas, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!